Ever wondered how to tap into the booming CBD market without the hassle of inventory and logistics? Well, there's a solution that's gaining traction: CBD dropshipping. This method is a game changer, especially in the rapidly expanding universe of CBD. CBD dropshipping is the perfect marriage of e-commerce and the CBD industry. By eliminating the challenges of stock management and delivery, it allows businesses to focus on what they do best: marketing and selling products. It's a model that's taking the business world by storm, combining the convenience of dropshipping with the demand for CBD products. In this fast-paced world, CBD dropshipping is the secret sauce for businesses looking to capitalize on the growing popularity of CBD products. And if you're keen to jump into this trend, you're in the right place. We're about to introduce you to the cream of the crop. So stay tuned as we dive into the top 5 CBD dropshipping suppliers you should consider for your business. Starting off our list is the CB Distillery, a popular choice among many CBD dropshippers. What sets the CB Distillery apart? Well, they've got an extensive product range that caters to diverse customer preferences. From tinctures to topicals, there's something for everyone. Plus, they're big on quality assurance, providing transparency with third-party lab results for every product. And let's not forget their excellent customer service, ready to help every step of the way. With the CB Distillery, quality and variety are the name of the game. At number 2, we have Joy Organics, a brand that prides itself on premium organic CBD products. With a strong commitment to superior quality, Joy Organics ensures all their CBD products are organically grown and rigorously tested by independent third-party labs. They don't just stop at quality. Joy Organics also offers an inclusive dropshipping program, making it a breeze for businesses to stock their products. For those prioritizing organic and premium products, Joy Organics is a supplier worth considering. Next up is US Hemp Wholesale, a supplier that stands out for its focus on wholesale services. What sets this supplier apart is their commitment to providing white-label options. This means you can brand their high-quality products as your own. Plus, they ensure comprehensive third-party testing, so you can be confident in the products you're selling. Their business model is wholesale-focused, making them a perfect fit for businesses looking to buy in bulk. US Hemp Wholesale could be your go-to if you're looking for a wholesale-centric supplier. Fourth on our list is Hemp Meds, a company known for its commitment to safety and quality. They pride themselves on rigorous testing procedures, ensuring that their products are reliable and top-notch. But it's not just about quality products. Hemp Meds offers a wide array of CBD items, providing variety for your customers' diverse needs. And for you dropshippers out there, they offer supportive services to make your business run smoothly. For those who value safety and quality above all, Hemp Meds is a supplier to watch. Last but not least, we have Green Roads, a supplier that shines with its pharmacist-formulated products. These aren't your run-of-the-mill CBD goods. Each item is meticulously crafted by pharmacists, adding an extra layer of assurance for quality. Green Roads also takes transparency seriously, willingly sharing lab testing results. Their dropship program is just as impressive, offering robust support to their partners. If you're after unique, high-quality products, Green Roads could be the supplier for you. So those are our top 5 CBD dropshipping suppliers. We've explored the CB Distillery's extensive range, Joy Organics' dedication to all things organic, US Hemp Wholesale's emphasis on bulk orders, Hemp Med's unwavering commitment to safety and quality, and Green Road's unique pharmacist-formulated products. Each supplier brings something unique to the table, catering to different facets of the CBD market. Remember, the best supplier for you will depend on your business needs and goals. Whichever you choose, you're stepping into a thriving market with great potential. Good luck!